أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. So after فعل المضارع, our topic last class also we had discussed 6 groups of triliteral verbs. ثلاثي مجرد 6 أبواب, and as we had discussed in the previous class also, these 6 abwab means that in Madi they are taking some different pattern, and in Mudare they are taking a different pattern, right? According to those patterns, these fail are divided into 6 categories, 6 groups. So, and for our convenience, the groups are named, right, after a verb. So the first group is fataha. So in fi'l madi, in what pattern it is coming? It is coming on the fa'ala pattern, right? Fa'ala, all fatha. Fa'ala, fataha. And in mudare, it becomes yaftahu. Okay, who will come with me on mic as well and here so that I can. Vanita, will you come? If it is easy for you.
Okay, miss, inshallah.
Okay. So this is the same thing which you might have listened in the recording, right? So the first group is
Yes.
fataha, and mudari becomes
Yes.
yaftahu, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So in both, how can we differentiate? In both ain kalima, in madi and mudari, it is taking fatha.
Fatah.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
only the fa kalima is sakin, but that fatah has come to ya.
Yeah. And fa kalima has become sakin due to ya, because you have to put ya as a prefix in fi'l mudari always. And ha always
ha
takes
has become dhamma.
Dhamma, always dhamma. So we call fi'l mudari is marfu, yani in halat raf', because dhamma is a symbol of halat raf'.
Oh yes. Yes. Yes.
So we say fi'l mudari marfu'un. Fi'l mudari is always marfu', right?
Okay.
And fi'l madi is always maftuh, because it is always the haba, right?
Yes.
Mudari is marfu and madi is maftuh. Fatha comes in the last letter. Whatever changes comes, it is fa'ala or fa'ila or fa'ula. What comes on the last letter? Fatha.
Yes. Yes.
So we fatha is the symbol of nasab. So,
nasab, yes.
Maftu or marfu or mansoob or marfu. Okay, so this is always mansoob, like that. Okay, second group is daraba. Dariba, but it's all fatha in fi'l mazi, but in mudare it is ain kalima takes a kasra, right? So it becomes yadribu. Daraba yadribu. Okay.
Yes.
And there are many letters who comes in, many verbs who come in this pattern. Jalasa yajlisu. Okay. Okay. Sami'a. Third group is sami'a. Now in Madi it is taking kasra on ain kalima. Sami'a, right?
Yes. Yes.
And but mudare is opposite. It's yasma'u. Now mudare is taking a fatha.
Fatha. Okay.
Yasma'u, right?
Yes. Yes.
And the fourth group is nasara. Yani again, fi'l madi has all fatha, nasara, but mudare has a dhamma, yansuru.
Yansuru, yes.
So ain kalima carries a dhamma in mudare.
Yeah.
Last, fifth, the sequence is different here and in the Urdu book. Sequence is different. But I like the sequence which is given in the Urdu book.
Yeah.
Because all
fathas are dealt separately and then
that's very beautiful sequence. Easily we can remember. So I will prefer if you go to that book and revise from there, right?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So fifth one, karuma. And again, this is the only one pattern that in Madi and Mudare both has
The same.
Dhamma on Ain Kalima, right?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
only one case. Karuma, Yakrumu. Both. Ra, yani Ain Kalima has Dhamma in both cases, Madi and Mudare. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
And Hasiba, Yahsibu.
Yes.
Hasiba, Yahsibu.
This is also almost
Both,
same. Kasra in both.
both
Yeah.
same. But this one is used as Hasiba, Yahsabu also.
Okay.
In some cases,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Even
Yes.
in Quran, it is Yahsabuna, right? So
Yes.
it
Yes.
has come on Hasiba, Yahsabu. So it can come both ways. Hasiba, Yahsibu. Both Ain Kalima carries kasra, but it can also be used as Hasiba, Yahsabu. Okay.
Carrying fatha. Okay.
Carrying fatha in Mudare. Yeah. And the other day we had our own our class, grammar class, where we are, going a bit ahead. A separate grammar class we have in Fajr
Okay.
every Saturday and Thursday, right? So there we were just discussing these above as a revision, and one of our class member told us that this, yani, when Madi carries fatha, but Mudare can carry either fatha, kasra, dhamma, right? Three cases are like that. So
Yes.
that is, yani, you can say this is it can take any, but when Madi comes in kasra and Mudare comes in this is the case na, when Madi comes in kasra, right?
Kasra. Yes. This is the. I think this is the only case where
no
kasra has.
Samia.
Yeah.
See here,
Yeah.
Samia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Samia and Hasiba. These are two cases, but 99.99% chances are that Mudare will take fatha.
Fatha.
Yani,
Fatha. Yes.
mostly when Mudare will take Samia, it is if it is from Samia Bab, yani Madi
The
is
Mudare will
taking
take fatha.
fatha. Yes,
Yes.
99.9% chances are there that this will take fatha. Okay, because I
Yeah.
told you in
Yeah.
Hasiba group also, sometimes it
Yeah.
takes fatha, it becomes
Yes.
Yahsabu, right? So
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
are high chances that if
Yeah.
Mudare is taking, Madi is taking kasra,
Kasra.
Mudare will
The
take
Mudare
fatha.
will also take a fatha. Yes.
Okay.
But this is exceptional here. That
Very
0.1%
rare.
maybe.
Very 0.1%
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
And the last, Aruma is 100% chances that if it is
Of
Madi is
Dhamma.
taking Dhamma, Mudari will
Yeah.
always
Also
take
take
Dhamma.
Dhamma.
So it is
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
100% confirmed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
100% confirmed. So if
Yeah.
Mudare is taking Kasra, it is 99% confirmed that Mudare will take Fatha. Okay. This case I'm telling you, right? Mudare will
Yes.
take.
Yes.
But then if Madi is taking Fatha, so there are possible chances for all three that it can take
Yeah.
Kasra also,
Yeah.
it can take Dhamma also, it can take Fatha also, right?
Yeah. So, Miss, we can say that Fatha group and Karuma group, they are actually the same. Like Fatha, all Fatha, they are Mazi Mudare. Same Karuma group, Dhamma and Dhamma.
No. Karuma group is
Like,
no.
like,
For understanding also, Vinita, Karuma is 100% that it will be Dhamma also in Mudare. But
yeah,
when it is Hasiba or Yasami'a, when it is with
yeah.
Kasra, then there are high chances that Mudare is taking Fatha.
Fatha, yeah. No, I'm just for my remembrance, I'm saying that Fatha and Karuma are like same. Fatha is all Fatha, mean Mazi and Madare, and Karuma is Dhamma and...
No. Why Fatha is Yani Fatha?
Fatha group, first group.
When in
Fatha
Madi,
group.
Fatha is coming. In
It's all
Madi.
Fatha.
Naina, how it's all Fatha? When Gauraba is coming,
First
right?
group, Miss Fatha, first group, Fatha group with Fa.
But this way we cannot remember, Vinita, because we have to remember it in relation with Mudare. Yani, Daraba, Yadribu. But Jalasa is Yajlisu. So when
Miss,
Madi...
I'm not talking about Daraba group. The first group,
I understood what you are saying. That's correct.
Fa group.
Fatha
group.
But the thing which I was telling you is that yani, when Sami'a comes, right, we have to see relation of Madi and Mudare.
Yeah.
Because we are learning them together, side by side, Madi and Mudare. So we are discussing that when Daraba comes, when Fa'ala pattern comes, there are different cases. It can, Mudare can take Fa'ila pattern, Mudare can take Fa'ula pattern, Mudare can take, yani, Fa'ila, Fa'ala, Fa'ula, all pattern. But if it is a Fa'ila in Madi,
yeah,
then there are high chances
then
that
it is
Mudare
always
will take.
fateh. Fatah, yes, yes.
This we are saying.
Yeah.
In relation with Madi, we are looking at Mudare, right?
Yes.
So if you, that's true that is only one bab, that when it is Fataha bab, then always Mudare is taking Yaftahu. That's true.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you will not be able to recognize it, na? Because we are not that good that we can say, oh, this is Fataha group. We never know it is which group.
Yeah. No, means as a beginner, just to remember, you know, it's like only to remember later. Obviously, then when we'll have another new words, then we might be confused.
We will, right. Because we never know it until or unless you look at the Mudare. You will never know which bab it is coming from.
True.
There are three groups which are starting with Fatha only. Daraba, Fataha, Nasara. There are three groups. So you will not be able to understand which group it is coming from. Fa'ala pattern. You will look
unless we look at the Mudare.
Fa'ala pattern is there. Okay, because Nasara is also on Fa'ala pattern. Daraba is also on Fa'ala pattern. You will never be able to understand which group is coming until you look at the Mudare.
The Mudare, yes. Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so
Miss, how would we recognize later? Only with the practice?
Yeah, with the practice.
Or we have to memorize them?
No, yeah,
we cannot.
Practice, yani, when we look at them again and again, by reading them again and again, we get practice, inshallah.
It will be registered in our heads. Okay.
Inshallah. Okay, so we have very less time, but let's go through Majhul. Because we have done Madi, Majhul also, passive
Majhul,
tense
yes, passive.
And there is a passive tense in Mudare also, right? So in a little time we can do that, because inshallah then our Mudare will be little bit completed, and then we can go for translation, inshallah, maybe next class onwards.
Inshallah.
Okay. So Majhul, I think introduction is not needed now. Majhul is a verb where subject is missing, right?
Hidden, yeah.
Not hidden.
Missing. Sorry, missing. Like we can't make out,
Completely, it's not there.
Yeah, it's not there.
Because when we say hidden, it is, you know, in it's hidden in form of a pronoun in the verb itself. And we say it's hidden.
Hidden,
Here it's missing, completely missing.
Yeah, absolutely.
And opposite to English, it's not the matter of placement only,
Yes,
object and subject, you just, replace their positions in the sentence.
We just interchange.
No, it's not the case. In here, it is completely missing.
Yeah.
And it is majhul. So, yasma'u is the active verb, right? Normal fi'l mudare. I call it normal fi'l mudare, but it means active tense. Yasma'u is active. So look at how it is made passive. What is the changes you can observe?
Putting dhamma on like ya.
Yes,
putting dhamma on ya.
Yes.
Miss, even in Mazi, it was from dhamma only.
Definitely, yeah. So that is the same. That is the same attribute for Mazi and Mudare. For example, Sami. See, I was reading it wrong. Sama, and my tongue told me you are reading wrong. Sami. Why my tongue told me? I just stopped there because due to practice, I read it many times. So when I tried to pronounce it wrongly, I said Sama. I thought no, it's wrong. Samia. Right? I didn't remember, but due to practice, when we are habitual, then wrong pronunciation doesn't accept. Our tongue doesn't accept wrong pronunciation, right?
Absolutely.
So Samia, if it is a Madi, try to make it majhul. Try to make majhul.
For Mazi, Samia. Sumia. Yes, Sumia.
So
Sumia.
there is
Yes.
one difference, that
Yeah.
in Madi we put kasra on ain kalima. Sumia, it was samia. We have taken an example where by chance it's coming kasra in Madi.
Yeah.
Let's take another example.
Okay.
Samia, Sumia, just a minute. Nasara, let's take Nasara example.
Okay.
Nasara,
All fatha.
Madi,
Nasara.
right?
Nus.
Vinita, make it majhul, make it passive. Nasara,
Passive. Nusa. Nusara.
no, it's
Yun.
Nusira.
Unsa. Nusira.
Nusira,
Acha.
yeah.
Nusira.
Okay,
Okay.
note
Okay.
it down.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
had done it before
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
we did. What is the
Yeah.
change? We put dhamma on fa kalima
And kasra
and
on
we put
ain kalima.
kasra, always kasra on
Yeah.
ain kalima.
Yeah. We have to revise it.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, just please revise both of them.
Yeah.
Both,
Will. Yes.
huh.
Yes. Miss.
Okay, so Nasara, Nusira.
Nusira. Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah.
in majhul, in passive, there is only one pattern. Whatever is
Yes.
coming in, yani, because in Madi, in active tense, it can be nas, it can be fa'ala, it can be fa'ila, it can be fa'ula, right? The difference
Yes. Yes.
in Madi.
Hmm.
But in majhul, it will always be fu'ila. No other
Fu'ila.
pattern.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I
No
remember
other
you had
pattern.
told this. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
easy
Yes.
actually to remember, you can say.
Yeah.
But it
Yes.
will
Yes.
mix with some other things in future. But just you remember here. Just keep
Okay.
your passive tense perfect with you, perfectly, yani, confidently keep it with you. That
Okay.
how will you recognize Madi Majhul, passive tense in Madi? That it will
By
take Dhamma in the beginning
Dhamma and in the middle
and
kalima,
Kasra.
it will have kasra in the middle. Ain kalima.
Yeah, just
Okay.
make this very sure with you.
Inshallah, miss.
Inshallah. Okay, so, and the
Yeah.
best is to remember from Nasara.
Nusira.
Because otherwise, no sira. Because it's taking, in Madi, it's taking fatha, but in passive tense, it has become with kasra, no sira.
Yes.
Fataha,
Yes.
now make it
Fut.
passive, futiha.
Futiha.
Qara'a,
Ji? What?
qara'a,
Qara'a.
qara'a,
Quri'a.
quri'a. Yeah,
Quri'a.
whatever pattern I say in Madi, you make
Yeah.
on the same pattern, on the fixed pattern in Majhul, in passive,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. Yes.
Is that clear now? Dhamma
Alhamdulillah.
and kasra
And
for
kasra.
Madi, for
Yes.
Mazi, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
come to Mudare. Dhamma and Fatha in Mudare.
Dhamma and fatha in mudare. Dhamma and fatha.
Dhamma is same for Madi and Mudare. But instead of kasra, ain kalima, there is a change in ain kalima. Ain Madi is taking kasra on ain kalima in passive, right? But Mudare is taking always fatha, whatever is the case.
Okay.
So Majhul is fixed for both Madi and Mudare. There is only one pattern for Madi, Majhul, and there is only one pattern for Majhul, Mudare. Okay? It always will take Fatha.
Okay.
I hope it's
Fatha
clear.
in the middle. Fatha in the
In
middle
the
kalima.
yeah.
Middle kalima. Because first kalima is like first fa kalima is always sakin. So we are not. We'll just take it
Definitely.
sakin, right?
That's why I said don't say yani first or second kalima. Always say fa kalima and ain kalima.
Yeah.
Then we will confuse that which is the second kalima, because we will add ya also first kalima.
Yeah,
right?
also. Yeah, right.
But always remember, we don't consider ya because it's not in root word, right? So we are talking about ain kalima as second kalima. After fa, ain kalima is our second kalima. So say it ain kalima, it's better.
Yes.
Okay. So see, yasma'u, yusma'u, yaqtulu, yaqtulu, yuqtalu, yaftahu, yuftahu, yaqra'u, yuqra'u. Whatever is coming here is either it's like yahsibu. Let's take third example. They have given two examples, yasma'u and yaqtulu, yafalu and yafulu pattern, hai na? But let's take yahsibu. Then it will be yuhsabu.
Yuhsabu. Yes.
So always ain kalima is taking fatha in passive tense. And
Yes,
definitely
yes.
ya will take dhamma.
Yes,
And
yes.
lam
Yeah.
kalima is always take dhamma, right? Because
Dhamma. Bilkul.
lam kalima, we will not touch it. As it was taking dhamma, lam kalima, the last letter, as it was
Will
taking
always
dhamma in the active
in the
tense,
active.
same way it is taking dhamma in passive also.
Passive.
The change is
Yes,
only
yes.
coming on ya,
Yeah,
on
yeah,
and
and
ain
the
kalima.
ayin kalima. Yes.
Ya is always taking dhamma, ain kalima is always taking fatha.
Taking fatha.
Whatever
Yeah.
is taking in active tense, doesn't matter.
Yes,
In
yes, yes,
passive,
yes.
it is always taking fatha. Alhamdulillah, this is easy. Otherwise, again, there was something problem
Yeah,
to remember. Okay,
actually,
so it's a
alhamdulillah.
good news. In passive tense, mudare always take fatha on ain kalima, and mazi, passive mazi always take kasra in ain kalima, right?
Yes,
I hope
miss.
it's clear, girls.
Alhamdulillah. Yes,
Rashmi,
yes. Only we need
Miss,
to revise.
Miss,
Yes,
shall
yes,
I
Miss Rifat.
interrupt, Miss?
Alhamdulillah. Sorry.
Miss,
yes,
Miss Rifat, what
yes,
about the
Khadija.
last example, Miss? He visits. Is it a special kind of verb? It
Yazuru?
doesn't come under the
Ah,
pattern of fa'ala, fa'ila,
I
fa'ila.
don't know why they have given it here. Yes, it is a special case because waw has come here, and waw is huruf illat. Illat means sick letter.
What letter, Miss?
Sick. It's sick. We need
Sick.
treatment for sick.
Oh, okay.
SICK. Sick. English word I'm using.
Okay, okay.
So I don't want you to contact with it yet, Khadija. Otherwise, you will also become sick.
Okay. Yes, yes. Yeah. Not now, inshallah.
Yeah, not now. Later, little bit later, I'll introduce you to these sick words so that we can treat. Because now you don't have that much immunity. If you'll touch it, you'll become sick. So when you will be
Yes, yes.
immune enough, then I'll let you touch these, inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Don't read this example, okay? I think that's it. So we have just done, other than this, Khadija, are you clear what we have done with the passive tense
Yes,
for
Miss, clear with
mudare?
it, Miss, clear with it.
So just
Yeah.
mark it
Yeah, very clear.
somewhere. The symbol of majhul, symbol of passive tense for madi and mudare, because it is only one symbol, right?
Okay.
That ain kalima will take
Okay.
kasra in madi and fatha in mudare. Write it
Yes, miss.
somewhere very clearly with you, right? Because in future, when we will be reading Quran, inshallah, it might mix with some other things. Okay, so that's why I'm saying mark it with you.
Okay.
Highlight it
Okay.
and write it very in bold somewhere, right? I'll take you back again and again.
Okay,
See,
okay,
what was
miss.
the pattern of passive tense, right? I'll take you back again and again, inshallah.
Okay. Okay, miss, inshallah.
Okay, so we'll wind up, inshallah. There are few things for present tense again, mudare, that we'll cover in the next class. Plus, we'll start translation in the next class, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته